Welcome back to Kotlin Desktop. This is Lesson 4, Lists and Navigation. Today we build a Notes app with scrollable lists and screen switching. Here's what we're building: a scrollable list of 20 notes. Click any note to navigate to a detail screen with the full body text. A back arrow returns to the list, all driven by a single state variable. Let's create our Notes app from scratch. Settings.gradle, same plugin repositories as before. Root project name is Notes app. Build file with 3 plugins, plus material icons for the back arrow. First file, colors.kt, same purple palette as before. Note.kt, a data class with id, title, body, and date. Sample Notes generates 20 entries for our list. Screen.kt, a sealed class, list or detail with a note ID. 3 data files done: colors, note, and screen. Note item, a clickable card showing title, date, and body preview. Card takes an onClick lambda. The whole card becomes clickable. One-line body preview with max lines and text overflow. Ellipsis. Note item done. Now note list screen with LazyColumn. LazyColumn renders only visible items, efficient for long lists. The items block maps each note to a note item composable. TopBar, reusable with a title and optional back button. OnBack is nullable. When null, a spacer replaces the arrow. Note detail screen, top bar with back button, then scrollable content. VerticalScroll with rememberScrollState makes the body scrollable. The note body sits inside a card for consistent styling. Last file, main.kt. This is where navigation state lives. currentScreen starts on screen.list. The when expression matches each case. Clicking a note sets currentScreen to detail. Back resets it to list. Eight files, all under 40 lines. Clean compile. Here's our Notes app. 20 notes in a scrollable list. Scrolling down, LazyColumn creates items on demand. Back to the top. Click Note 5 to see the detail screen. Full title, date, and body text. The content scrolls independently. The back arrow returns us to the list. State switches from detail to list. Scroll down to Note 12 and click it. Back to the list one more time. Navigation works with a single state variable. Let's recap the 5 key things we learned today. First, LazyColumn. It renders only visible items for efficient scrolling. Second, sealed class. Type safe navigation with screen.list and screen.detail. Third, when expression. Pattern match the current screen to render the right composable. Fourth, navigation state. Parent owns current screen, children fire callbacks. Fifth, card onClick. Make entire cards clickable with a single parameter. Subscribe for more Kotlin desktop tutorials. See you in Lesson 5.